I think he will regret it in 3 to 5 hours when he's on the toilet.
There's been times I've felt stupider, but not very many, walking around the parking lot when it's like 90 degrees out with a gallon of milk, a pink half helmet. I feel it in my gooch. Alrighty, so we go with a no-hand intro real quick. Y'all know the vibes. Y'all give this video a thumbs up right now. I'm about to eat a Pocky chip. That's about to be god-awful. What's going on, guys? Today it's a 5K special. We're at 7K right now. Thank y'all for subscribing so much, but we're doing the Pocky chip in the no-hander challenge. So I got some food to fill my stomach to dilute the spiciness a little bit. Boy done came up at the quick trip, got the 2 glizzies and the pizza to like really bring my stomach together to dilute the spiciness. Really healthy out here today. We'll hit y'all with the glizzy gobble. Best hot dog I've ever had. Alright, this is the helmet I'll be using today so y'all can see me eat the chip. I don't condone wearing non-full face helmets, but I got a DOT one. I still don't feel safe, but I'm giving it a safety test. Here's how you test out a helmet. Safe. Gotta get some right again before all the madness starts to the chips. Alrighty, so we go with a no-hand intro real quick. Y'all know the vibes. Y'all give this video a thumbs up right now. I'm about to eat a Pocky chip. That's about to be god-awful. So I'll get y'all some clips for before I kill myself eating a chip, you know? Or a little no-hander. No-hand hand drag. I'll give y'all a fat no-hander. Oh, I suck. There we go. Into throttle hand drag stall. Spoilers for y'all, why not? Skirt yard. Skirt yard. Skirt yard. Skirt yard. One hand stand up for y'all, you heard? Or the one hand stand up or knee knocker. I tried stalling it on my hand. I mean, y'all can't really blame me for crashing on that one.
Anyone that blames you has to try it. Yeah, no, I thought you were trying to do something cool and like hold it there.
Yeah, so I tried to hold it, and then it came down. And or it went down a little bit. My hand was like, it was still bad. It was like perfectly balanced for a second, and I thought it was coming down. Then all of a sudden, I don't know if I got leaned back more, but it just went back past balance point. I'm like, uh-oh. Dang, my poor FMF. No! Ruff, ruff. Back. Oh, he needs some milk. Well, contemplating a bunch of life decisions that brought me here in order to eat a spicy chip and a wheelie. This might be the last no-hander you see me do whenever I eat the spicy chip. We shall see. Got the chip right here. Got the gallon of milk in the cooler staying cooled off. Now we're just waiting on me to quit being a little beep and eat it. It's closed, like it's me opening it right now for the first time. I got this right at 1,000 subscribers, so thank y'all for subscribing to me, but also y'all are terrible people for subscribing to me because now I gotta do stuff like this. The chip is still intact. That's a big chip. Yeesh. It's like Christmas, but flaming hot in hell. No Santa. Had to trade in the motorcycle gloves for the rubber gloves. Maybe I'll throw a hand drag in them. Probably not, because I'll probably crash eating the spicy chip. But if y'all see them eating the spicy chip, what do y'all think about it?
I wouldn't fucking do it.
You wouldn't do it?
Absolutely not.
Bad idea?
Oh, hell yeah.
How long do you think I could wheelie for? You saw me wheelie, I'm like fairly decent. Like, how long do you think I could hold it up like that after I eat the chip? I'm not gonna eat spicy stuff, but I'm gonna eat wheelie, so I think it'll just be an okay wheelie.
Yeah, I think you can, as long as you want, bro. You got it.
Whole lot, man.
I like the optimism, thank you.
Lot, bro.
What do you think about me eating the spicy chip? Like, how long am I gonna hold the wheelie up for?
I have complete faith this man's gonna kill it. I think you're gonna do very well. I would just not touch your eyes and I would immediately rip those gloves off once you're done. But I have complete faith in you. Like and subscribe, because this crazy bastard will only continue to do more cool things like this. I think he will regret it in 3 to 5 hours when he's on the toilet, but as of right now, I have complete faith you're not gonna regret this decision.
Thank you. I'll be at his house watching Stars game, so it's his toilet even I'm blowing up. It ain't even mine, like.
Damn, you made it, bro. Hollywood is fuck.
So, did you hear or see I'm eating that spicy chip?
Yeah.
So, you see I'm pretty good at wheelies, right?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna eat spicy stuff. You haven't seen that, but I'll just tell you I'm terrible at it. How long do you think I can continue the wheelie after I eat the spicy stuff?
I don't know, man. I watched your cooking channel, Wheelie. You made spaghetti, and that's pretty long. So I think the whole time.
Yeah, the whole time. Like, you think I'll be able to like lap, turn around, just take U-turns?
Yeah. I'm saying, like, let's say 3 laps.
I bet. I appreciate the optimism.
3 laps out of it.
All right. Well, I guess now I got no more stalling. Let's do it. Oh, I'm nervous. You gotta wear the half helmet. You already saw us test it out. She's safe. Make sure to strap her up. Y'all make sure to buy my merch. I got black merch coming out next week. We outside on the back. We are outside. We might be inside the ambulance with it a little bit, depending how spicy this is, but we'll still be outside with it. There's been times I've felt stupider, but not very many, walking around the parking lot when it's like 90 degrees out with a gallon of milk, a pink half helmet, and about to eat a spicy chip. We got Rodney over here. He's gonna be my milkman. When I say milk, he's gonna give me milk. Kicking it now. Up to the bar. Woo! Oh my God! Woo! This is amazing! Woo! Give me a thumbs up. I'm crying. The tears are coming out. Fuck, there's nothing you can do about it. We outside. Well, the more I breathe, the worse it gets.
Was that good 3 laps? How was it, Paul?
Whew. It's not good.
Not good.
Give us a 1 to 10. I'll give it 9.5. It could be a little bit worse. I think it will get a little bit worse. I'm struggling to talk.
There's just like blue foam coming out of your mouth.
I think I have rabies on. That's what that foam is. I never drink milk, so this is gonna be good for my bones. And we said it fall. Normally, whenever you fall in the water, everybody comes to you, but now it's just you're like something so idiotic.
1 to 10, how bad is it, man?
9.5.
Oh, you're crying.
I've been crying. These are tears of joy for getting 5K subscribers, you guys. Thank you so much. Good for your sinuses. They're really getting cleared out. Hey guys, 20K subscribers. We'll do this again, but in class. Give me some more whole milk. Yeah. Please. Just another one of these at the gas station.
Get some ice cream.
And whatever you want. Damn, this one chip challenge makes you generous, giving people your card to go get whatever they want at the gas station. I feel it in my gooch. Oh, my girlfriend's called me. Okay, talk. Guys, I got the hottest merch in the game. It makes you throw up. It's so hot. Stay in school so you don't have to do this, guys. Listen to your parents. Stay in school.
It's really that bad?
No, bro. I'm just throwing up for fun. Like, it's what I like to do in the stunt lot. I'll just throw up. That's what I'm known for. I just throw up in the stunt lot every time. Not for my wheelies, for throwing up. Alright, I know y'all in the comments have already commented, yo, dude's a bitch, he didn't eat the rest of the chip. Nah, it's right here, on the ground, from where I dropped it. And I'm gonna eat the rest of it. Yeah.
Well, we're waiting, sir. I'm in the comments right down here, right?
I'm gonna unsubscribe if you don't eat it.
We got the glove. Because we're being safe around here. Safety is a main concern on Paul So Hard's channel. Alrighty guys, I'm running. I'm going to be assisting with the milk. I thought I was going to need it. I did it. So now, there's only one way to dispose of milk to make sure it doesn't go bad and stick up the whole place. I'll show you all that.